includes the report in this report of the delegates in charges of South Punjab, Mia Talib Hussain. According to the details, the shining star of the land of Kashmir, the light of which has fallen on it, has been blessed with the help of Allah. Today, we are going to introduce our viewers to a person who needs an introduction. Dear viewers, we are talking about Dr. Ahmed Bilal. Dr. Ahmed Bilal has traveled to about 60 countries and has been leading 58 countries since then. Is it a matter of great honor for Dr. Ahmed Bilal Sahib that he lived his whole life with utmost simplicity? And most importantly, I would like to tell my viewers that Dr. Ahmed Bilal Sahib has all the virtues as well as facial recognition. Skills are very well known. Dr. Ahmed Bilal has cured thousands of patients in many countries through facial recognition. All the fees have been deducted for the convenience of Dr. Ahmed Bilal Sahib. Allah has healed him. He always remembers in good words whatever he has treated. We have treated Dr. Ahmed Bilal Sahib with such detail. The only purpose of this is to get as many patients in other countries as possible. In the end, we were able to find out in detail about Dr. Ahmed Bilal Sahib. This is what we advised our viewers to contact Dr. Ahmed Bilal Sahib immediately and get information about their diseases as soon as possible. We kept informing our viewers about Dr. Ahmed Bilal Sahib. Allow your host Mia Talib Hussain. Goodbye.